this tram is now ready to depart.
Christopher!
Driver, you are clear.
What's up, bud?
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving.
No one's holding on to him. It's just like...
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Want to bring that arm inside the tram, please? Thank you.
Glasses or any loose items that could fall from the tram.
Not our kid.
If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
There's like no one thing, right?
Driver, you are clear.
We're going to the place where we had a water.
I see this so differently now. Got up close and personal with it.
Yep. That makes you appreciate the trams a lot more. That's just what they're doing.
But then that's like an extra 2 miles or so of steps to brag about.
That's true.
Today.
My dad keeps trying to convince me that they're having a deal for $60 for health.
AAA.
$60?
I don't know if it's like multiple day ticket and it comes out to $60.
It's probably one of those 3-day tickets at $60 a day.
But still.
On like a tier 5 day. So that one Wednesday in January. Stop chewing on your fingers. So are we still going to California Adventure or are we going to Disneyland? We can go either one now.
Doesn't matter to me.
Do what?
I
know you want to go.
Yep. Your boy. I've been watching like TikTok videos.
That's just what boys do.
Well, like all these moms are like saying like what they do, their kid was autistic.
I've indicated it. Safe exit to the driver's left-hand side and the driver's left-hand side only.
Toddlers are like that.
What's that?
Because he walks on his tiptoes and he does this when he's really excited.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, I do that when I'm really excited. Like it's just, I talk like that.
Mom,
What?
what's that ride where I call it Guardians of the Galaxy?
Rise of the Resistance.
Oh, what? That's
You know my friend Evan, right? They,
That's the monorail.
oh, it's so really
he has a 2-year-old son.
why?
And,
Regardless, because it was high up.
well, he's for sure either autistic or Down syndrome. It's pretty interesting. I mean, that's a bad word, but it's the only word they have for it.
If you're not expecting it, it can make things.
Oh yeah, it was really hard for them for about a year.
Yeah.
They still don't know. Really.
Like when, shortly after I had him, my sister stayed with me for like 2 weeks. And she's like, oh, why is ADHD?
Well,
He's
Captain
2.5.
please remain behind you. Please do
And then
not
like
attempt to
9
board the
and
tram. All the
9
cabins
and the
still in
preschool
motion and allow the
and
guests
the
on board to
kindergarten
exit
called me.
to
I'm
the
like,
left.
Okay, Connor, again, not your side. Not open the door?